Okay. Good morning, afternoon, evening physics. Let's talk about it. So our first big thing you need to be aware of, we talked about Newton's laws already. Let's extend that into something more interesting. Please excuse the biology stuff back here. So one of the big things that we need to address is weight. So with this, pardon me. So with this, when we talk about weight, we are talking about the force of gravity pulling down on us to a planet. We often think about it as, oh, I'm going to go weigh myself, I'm going to go find my mass, because that's how much stuff we have. So mass is our amount of stuff, and it's a constant thing. So unless you lose weight, or you work out and you lower your weight, you're not changing your mass. But weight is something that is like our force of gravity and is dependent on our planet. So if we were to go on to, let's say, the moon, our mass would stay the same, but our weight would be different. Let's talk about why, though. So our weight is our mass times gravitational acceleration. We can just say acceleration of gravity, gravitational acceleration, same exact thing. So our weight is going to be, well, let's talk about this first. Our mass is in kilograms for this equation. So when you go to do this, you will need to do this for your weight. And our acceleration of gravity, that is going to be in meters per second squared. So our weight is going to be in, our kg, kilograms, times our meters divided by seconds squared. This is also called newtons. So we multiply our mass times our actual acceleration of gravity, we get what our weight really is. So let's do that with mine real quick. So our weight is equal to mg. Let's label out what we have. So my mass is equal to 64.0 kilograms. Acceleration of gravity on Earth is 9.81 meters per second squared. Let's get it on the moon too. I think it's 1.6 something. I think it's 1.61. Huh? Let me get y'all an actual number instead of just telling you. 1.625. And then on the moon, that's going to equal 1.625 meters per second squared. So let's talk weight for a second. So my weight on the Earth is my mass times my gravitational acceleration, or A of g, or just my g. So on Earth, it's going to be my mass, 64.0 kilograms, and that's going to be times my acceleration of gravity, or the acceleration of gravity on Earth, which is 9.81 meters per second squared. So 64 times 9.81. Use your calculator, don't overthink it. And my actual weight is going to be about, as you can see, it's going to be about 627.84, which I'm just going to round that out to first decimal